Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 2 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power x plus 8 raised to power s is equal to 39. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then the whole of this can be written as 2 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s can be written as 2 square raised to power x plus 8 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 39. Then here, from this rule, we have 2 raised to power x plus this can be written as 2 raised to power x square plus 2 raised to power x raised to power of 3 is equal to 39. Now let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. And here we have y plus y square plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 39. And this is y plus y square plus y raised to power 3 minus 39 is equal to 0. And here is y plus y square plus y raised to power 3 minus 39 can be written as 27 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then here we have y plus y square plus y raised to power 3. Let's open the bracket with this minus 27 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have y plus y square plus y raised to power 3 minus 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 minus 9 can be written as 3 square minus 3 is equal to 0. This can be written as, let's pair this and this together. We have y minus 3 bracket plus, let's spread this and this together. We have y square minus 3 square bracket plus, let's pair this and this together. We have y raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Let's note that from here, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Also from here, if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Now let us use this to operate this. Here we have y minus 3 bracket plus bracket, this can be written as y plus 3 bracket y minus 3 plus, this can be written as y minus 3 bracket y square plus 3y plus 3 square, then equal to 0. And from here, if you see, y minus 3 is common here, y minus 3 is common here, y minus 3 is common here. Let's bring it out. We have y minus 3 bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 1 plus, if you divide this by this, we have y plus 3 plus, if you divide the whole of this by this, we have y square plus 3y plus 3 square, that is 9, is equal to 0. Then here we have y minus 3 bracket, we have bracket, this is y square plus 3y plus y, that is 4y plus 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, is equal to 0. Here there are two cases here. The first case is y minus 3 is equal to 0, and the second case y square plus 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now from here, y is equal to 3. This is the first value of y, and from here, this is a quadratic equation. We have y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. That is if you use quadratic general formula. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 13. But discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant d is equal to b square, that is 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 13. Discriminant d is equal to 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 13, 4 times 3, 12, 2 remain 1, then 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 52. D is equal to 16 minus 52, that is minus 36, and this is less than 0. So since this is less than 0, we conclude that there is no real solution here, and it is rejected. So this is rejected. Now the only real solution we have is, the only real root we have is y is equal to 3. Then recall that both 2 raised to power s is equal to y. Now 2 raised to power s is equal to 3. Let us take the log on both sides. Log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 3. Then s log 2 is equal to log 3. Let us divide both sides by log 2, divided by log 2. This divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 3 base 2. This is the final answer for x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. Then we have 2 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s plus 8 raised to power s is equal to 39. So this is 2 raised to power s is log 3 base 2 plus this is 4 raised to power s is log 3 base 2 plus 8 raised to power s is log 3 base 2 must be equal to 39. Now this is 2 log 3 base 2 plus this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 log 3 base 2 plus this is 2 raised to power 3 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 39. Then according to the law of logarithm here, this is 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 plus this is 2 raised to power, if we take this 2 here, it becomes 3 square, and 3 square is 9. We have log 9 base 2 plus here 2 raised to power, if you take this to this side, it becomes 3 to raised to power 3, and 3 raised to power 3, that is 27. We have log 27 base 2 must be equal to 39. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then therefore we have the whole of this is 3 plus the whole of this is 9 plus the whole of this is 27 must be equal to 39. Then if you add 3 plus 9 plus 27, so we have 39 the left hand side is equal to 39 the right hand side, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.